Think AI's just for robots and sci-fi? Think again, because it's already running your phone, your watch, and even your fridge. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech place. Here's how AI is secretly taking over your everyday tech and making life way smarter. First up, your camera just got a brain. Yes, smartphones and webcams are no longer just lenses. AI-enhanced cameras can analyze lighting, recognize faces, and even shoot low-light photos like a pro. Night shots? No problem. Editing? Done in seconds. Next, your personal trainer never sleeps. Smartwatches now double as AI health coaches, tracking heart rate, sleep, stress, and workouts. Ask it questions, get instant advice, and soon your watch could even monitor blood pressure. AI also handles the boring stuff, from summarizing emails to writing spreadsheet formulas. AI assistants like ChatGPT and Gemini act like personal secretaries in your pocket. They remember details, connect the dots, and free you from these tasks so you can focus on the stuff that matters. Your kitchen's getting smarter with AI too, as it isn't just in phones, it's cooking your food too. Smart ovens, fridges, and coffee makers now adapt to your habits and even suggest recipes when you don't know what to eat. And of course, Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, they're all running on AI-powered recommendation engines. From suggesting shows to translating content instantly, AI makes sure you're always watching what you love without even thinking. AI is everywhere already, and it's only getting started. Cameras, help, work, play, even your kitchen and couch. AI is making your devices smarter, faster, and more personal. And pretty soon, you won't be looking for tech with AI. You'll be wondering how you ever live without it. Which is your favorite AI help? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.